welcome back to Efil Anantam. So in this video we are going to make tomato curry. It's of an Indian dish from the places Telangana and Andhra. So most of the people from these places eat this a lot. So like it's an usual day dish. So they just make it to eat their lunch and dinner, and mostly they eat it with rice, and we can also eat it with roti or chapati and all those things. So what are we waiting for? Let's just go and dive into the authentic tomato curry. So we are going to need only 3 vegetables mostly, like 3 tomatoes. This dish is going to be for only one person. So just take 3 tomatoes and 1 onion and 3 mirches. It depends on the spice level you want. So I eat a low spice thing. So I just use 3 mirchis, like 3 chilies, 3 green chilies, and this is ginger garlic paste. So you don't have to use all of this, you just have to take a little bit of it. So that's it. Like these are the main ingredients that you need, and you can just go on with the curry. So before cutting the vegetables, we have to give them a little wash, like a simple wash, so that they would be clear of any dust particles and all. Now we have washed the vegetables, and first we have to cut the chilies, because I don't know, most of the people use chilies after, like later in the curries, but I use it in the beginning because I don't know, like the spice level decreases when we add it in the beginning. So yeah, that's what I do. Let's cut these. Now we are done with the chilies, and we have to take onion and let's cut this. We have to remove this part because it causes cancer, and you guys don't, like, we should not eat it. Removed it, and this part also should be removed. Now we are good to go. You have to cut the onions as small as possible because that gives you a nice taste. A tip I want to give you guys is, if you guys don't want to fry while cutting the onions, you can put these onions in water for some time and then cut them, so that you won't be crying, which means the power of the onion will be reduced because of the water, so they get diluted in it. And now we are done with the onions also. On to tomatoes. So we should always remove this part because it may form stones in the kidneys, so be careful with that, and remove that part and just cut them like this. And even the tomatoes also, they should be cut into small pieces so that it just melts in your mouth whenever you put it in your mouth. Okay, so here we go. First, put a pan on the stove, and before that, light the stove and put a pan on it and pour some oil. Don't use so much oil, or else it will cause health issues. Let the oil get heated for some time. You see these bubbles? So now the oil has gotten heat, and we have to reduce the flame. Now take some mustard seeds, so only little of mustard seeds, and take some cumin seeds. Let them fry for some time. And now put the chilies inside and just mix it for some time. Now put the onion. Let the onions become golden brown color. The onions are getting into golden brown color. Yeah, now add some turmeric. Mix it, and now immediately add the tomatoes. Let it sit for 2 minutes. keep mixing in between so that the curry doesn't get thick to the pan. And add some salt. I'm adding a little salt because I don't eat salt much, so I'm using this much salt. And mix it. Now after adding some salt, let it get cooked for 1 more minute. See, the curry is getting cooked. Add some ginger garlic paste. So ginger garlic paste, don't add it much, just a little bit, like a teeny bit. I use this much. I don't eat much of masalas and all, so yeah, use a little bit of it. And now saute it. Let it cook. The whole process should be in low flame. Only in the beginning part you can use it a little bit higher, like the medium flame. But the whole process should be in low flame. Then only you will get the nice taste of it. After letting it cook for 1 minute or so, add some chili powder. So this chili powder is made at home. So yeah, mix it. I love tomato curry to be like this, like sticky. I don't want it to be, spread out and all. I don't want to chew more. So yeah, this is better for me. See, like this. It is so nice. All the ingredients have mixed well. And now, like, this is good. We are good. And after adding the chili powder, you just have to put the stove on for 2 minutes and then just shut it off. Like, don't take too much because the curry might become burnt. So yeah. Now let us just serve into a bowl. So here we have the most commonly made tomato curry ready. So this was the second episode of Vanta Vaarpu. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you want any other curries videos regarding this series, please do comment down and let us know. Also, if you like this video and want more such content, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Efil Anantam. See you guys in the next video. Please take care of your health as Arogyame Mahabhagyam.